The Diamond Lark dual dash cam provides high-definition video recording with a front camera that captures in 1080 pixels and a rear camera that records in 720 pixels, ensuring clear documentation of your driving experience. This dash cam's wide-angle lenses, 170 degrees at the front and 140 degrees at the rear, help reduce blind spots and capture more details on the road. With advanced night vision and high dynamic range technology, the camera captures clear images and videos even in low light conditions, enhancing safety during nighttime driving. The loop recording feature ensures continuous video capture by overwriting old footage, while the G sensor locks critical video clips in the event of sudden impacts, preventing data loss. Equipped with a parking monitor, the dashcam automatically activates to record when your vehicle is impacted while parked, providing peace of mind when you are away from your car. The inclusion of 2 installation brackets and a free 32GB SD card makes setup straightforward, allowing users to easily begin using the dashcam right away.